YouTube, what's going on? This is your boy Tech King Mike. I'm back with another video for you guys. And in today's video, yes, we have it. We have the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 8 Ultra in the house, the Z Fold 8 Ultra. Now, if you watched my video that I posted yesterday, then you know that I did say that I pre-ordered the device, and I didn't say exactly which one, but I decided to go with the Ultra. And I went with the Ultra for a couple of reasons. The main reason of those reasons being the form factor for the regular Z Fold 8 it didn't strike me as something that I wanted to carry around. The Fold 8 Ultra, I feel, is the best compromise of everything. When I say compromise, I mean form factor, cameras, battery, everything. The Fold 8 is a really cool looking device. It's a really niche device in my opinion. And I did say in my video, if you didn't get a chance to watch it, I'll have it linked somewhere up here. But I did say in that video that my biggest thing is that I really wanted it to be taller, you know, more like the Z Fold 8 Ultra. So we're here with the Z Fold 8 Ultra. Now, I traded in my S26 Ultra for this phone, so I got a nice discount off of it by doing so. So looking at the box, I mean, obviously we knew what we're gonna get. Nothing in the box. There's nothing that comes anymore in the box. So we're just gonna pop it open real quick. And this is just a real quick unboxing, just kind of checking the phone out, first impressions of it, taking it out the box. I will have another video dropping probably right after this one, if not same day, maybe a little bit later. But I did get some screen protectors for it. I was able to get the idiot-proof screen protector from D-Brand, the Prism. So let me take this Best Buy order sticker. I was able to pick it up from the only Best Buy in town that had it in stock. So we'll get this sticker off of here. I ain't got no nails right now, so you gotta excuse me on that. But yeah, so I will be doing a video on that. So if you want to see some videos for accessories and things like that on the Z Fold 8 Ultra, just stay tuned to the channel. And also, just stay tuned to the channel in general, man, because I actually have some cool stuff that's coming for the channel. I think it's going to be pretty dope. But for now, we're going to go ahead and open it up, take a look inside of the box. And looking inside, obviously, we just get the little packet here that you get, where it's really just, let me see, what do I expect it to be? Yep, it's literally just a couple of SIM ejector tools right here. You got USB-C cable and your usual books and stuff. So, in the words of the great floss, plug in and fiber, because we don't care about that. All right. Now, this is the phone, and I went with the Graphite model this year, and I did go with the Terabyte because I have a lot of stuff that I download onto my phone. I'm old school. I like to download things to my phone. My Spotify library itself is like 100 gigs. So now I got a lot going on, but I'm really feeling this color. Let me see. I'm going to try to make sure that the camera can get a good view of it right there. I am really feeling this graphite color, man. This thing is really nice. I'm actually happy that it's not like a straight black, because Samsung's black phones have been very hit or miss. Because I'm very like particular about my devices. Before I even go through the process of peeling everything off, I'm going to make sure that the screen protector is on it. But I'm going to pop my S26 Ultra out of its case, and let me give it a little wipe down real quick. And now let's just compare the two. So this is supposed to be black according to Samsung, and then you see the graphite is a little different. It's kind of almost like a gunmetal. I don't know, I feel like I see some hints of blue in it. I like it. I actually really like it. I didn't know what to expect in person. Looking at it online, I thought, you know, it's okay, but I didn't want to go with any of the other colors because they just didn't appeal to me. So I'm glad that it ended up working out color-wise. I actually really like it in person. So I'm going to leave my S26 right here, and we'll do a couple of comparisons real quick. Feels really good in the hand, really light, very, very light. Let's go ahead and do that first peel. And there it is. There it is. There is our folding phone in all of its glory. It's already got some dust on the inner screen. First things first, haven't even really got into the phone yet. That crease is barely noticeable. Now, I'm sure over time it's going to be more noticeable as you open and close the phone, but right now that crease is barely noticeable. Let's go ahead and let's hold it closed one time. Okay, and then let's open it up again. Still the same, and it pops into place now in such a more rugged way. Now, I've had some people say that they disabled flex mode on the Ultra. It looks like it works just fine to me, but I do think that it only goes back so far before it will, before it'll snap into place. So definitely have to be mindful of that. But the feel in hand, you can even tell where it looks like they've chamfered the edge. Chamfered? You can see where they chamfered some of the edges so that it's easier to open now. So it feels really different, man. It feels really different. I'm thrown off by just how light and thin that this thing is. I mean, compared to this phone, you know, which is a lot heavier, a lot more of a brick. You know, it's crazy how much lighter this phone feels. Let's go ahead and peel this little sticker off the back so we can get a better view of the back of the phone. And let's just see here. So yeah, this is really nice, man. Let's open it up. Let's take a look on the inside. And there it is, the start screen. The start screen, man. Take a look at that screen. Big difference, man. I'm excited, man. I'm really excited to see how this phone is gonna go. I'm getting rid of the S26 Ultra for this phone because I feel that the folds are finally at a place where they're worthy of the price. In a way, there are still some compromises that this phone has, and I'll talk about those in another video as I continue down the line with this phone. But as it stands right now, this fold, I've said on record multiple times over the years that all I needed was for Samsung to give me a good battery, a good camera system, and to just have the phone feel like this one does. And here we are. And the S26 Ultra is a great phone. Don't get me wrong, this is a great phone. I really do enjoy using this phone. I've been using it for like the last week. I switched out of my iPhone, and I had rotated back and forth here and there, but I've been using it for like the last week out of my iPhone. And my only complaint and gripe with this is that it feels like an Android version of the iPhone. And what I mean by that is the overall feel. The case makes it feel really good, but what Samsung did this year with the Ultra by making it more rounded, it almost feels like we went backwards. We went back towards the S21 version of devices, if that makes any sense. The Z Fold 8 Ultra really feels like it's going back to that note phase, that productivity phase. And for a lot of the things that I do at my job with my S26 Ultra, even if my main SIM is not in it, this thing is going to tackle them like crazy. I'm already imagining the spreadsheets and everything on this inner display. So I'm going to take the time to get this thing set up. Go ahead and slap a screen protector on it by doing this video real quick for you guys. And then I'm going to go enjoy this phone. And yeah, we're going to get into it, man. Galaxy Z Fold 8 Ultra from Samsung. Once again, thank you guys for watching this video, man. Make sure you click the link to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you can see more videos on the Z Fold 8 Ultra. But until then, guys, I'm going to catch y'all on the next one. It's Tech King Mike. Peace.